Wait, what? How did their team grow so big? What if I just... Oops. That'll probably do the trick. Wait, what? Where are we? Is this seriously one of Slugsnail's tricks? I don't know, but I'm not freezing to death! I'm out of here! What? Grr. Wait, why isn't this working? Well, there must be some way to get out. Wait, what? Climb to the summit and retrieve the Heart of Ice in order to escape.
Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go!
Wait, come back! Well, let's just go, Alright, who played that? That was completely unnecessary.
But it's so steep. How will we get up there?
Leave it to me. Settle up, guys.
Whoa! You good? Oh, no, I'm not good. Do I look good to you?
Don't worry, this will only hurt a lot.
Are you high? Don't worry, kid. Just hold on, and everything will be okay.
May I?
Yes, you may. Wait, what? What am I doing now? They have this number!
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. A little help, please? You got it.
I say we did a pretty good job, eh?
Definitely. So, are you able to morph into anything else? Say, faster?
No problem.
Well, we want out, so you know the drill.
Cousin, no!
The temple's collapsing.
Everyone stay calm! It'll be okay! Mimiku, are you able to change back into that speed ship?
Afraid not. Sorry, guys.
Then we'll have to work with the next best thing! Everyone, grab a wooden plank and snowboard your way down! What have I done?